Last time on Races to Places, Lyndon and Basil crossed the border into Angola. So, a little bit more information on Angola. It is a southern African nation whose varied terrain encompasses tropical Atlantic beaches, a labyrinth system of rivers and a sub-Saharan desert that extends across the border into Namibia.
Yes, it's true.
So I made it, met up with Ruan and Heiko, and this is where we're going to sleep tonight. So one is there, one is there, one is there, and the bike's outside, and the master chefs are doing the cooking in here. What have we got for dinner tonight, guys?
Steak.
Steak and chips.
Fish steak.
Heiko, what is that?
Fish steak and pasta, and some freshly cut tomatoes.
What you mean is canned tuna, canned tomato,
No.
and pasta.
No.
Oh man.
Do that.
Looks like it's time for the evening meal. Time to refuel Basil, and it looks like the petrol station attendant has a real cool hairstyle.
Go, go, go! Yes! Donut. Here we go. Oh, I need some extra weight. Here we go. Woo! Whoa!
So today, we're hard on the trail and moving from Chitado to Iona. What a great angle with the GoPro, son. We can definitely see Basil's suspension working here.
When I'm on these trails, I always think to myself, who was it who put this road here? Who was it who spent all that time digging and laying stone and grading and for kilometres after kilometres? Who was that? How long ago was it? I want to see pictures from back in the day when they were doing it. And why did they do it? Was it because of the war, or what was it for? I imagine it was for cattle, because I keep seeing these big holes for cattle grids. So maybe there were farms here, cattle, before the war even. So if you remember when I went to EP05 Falls in Namibia, I rode along the river towards Ruacana, and we're now on the Angolan side of that river, and all there is this little footpath or goat track, probably used by the Himba people, heading west. We're going to follow this all the way as far as we can really, but the plan is to get to the coast. There's a small village called Montenegro down here. The river's just over there, and I think we'll stop for a quick snack, get some supplies. There's just one shop, it's a very small place. It's beautiful just riding down the side of the river here. No roads, just these tracks, open places. So we just had a couple of days pretty cool riding over there. Nice, eh? Nice,
very nice.
Nice scenery, pretty technical trails, which is good. And now we're just going to go get a pass for Iona National Park. So we just need to head to this place, Espinheira, get the pass
for the park, and then we can head into the park. And then we're going to arrive at Foz do Rio Cunene, and from there we're going to head up the coast in Angola.
You're definitely getting to grips with the drone, son. I'm loving those aerial shots. It's nice to see Lyndon has hooked up with some riding buddies. Welcome Heiko and Ruan.
So we just stopped here to get our bikes and ourselves checked into the national park, Iona, and we've got to present our passports and documents for the bikes so that they know that we're allowed to ride them here in Angola. So they're just checking paperwork and everything. Let's go check it out what they're doing.
Now I believe we've already had a Heiko on the show, so this gentleman will have to be Heiko too.
Okay. Thank you. So we're just putting our tents up. Ruan's putting his waterproof tent up. What sort of tent is that, Ruan?
A very well ventilated one.
Can you Whoa! What's going on there? What about the orange bit? Oh my goodness! This is going to be interesting, huh? Heiko in his underpants, refueling his bike this morning.
One time I tell them I'm California dreaming. California.
Time for a spot of beach riding.
California dreaming. California dreaming about you.
There's some locals fishing here, so there's a good chance we'll catch something. We've got our master fishery Heiko here.
I only catch fish if I have beers.
So, a fishy tale from Heiko. He says he only catches fish when he's had a beer. Well, I wonder if the more beers he has, does he catch more fish? I doubt it.
About you. California dreaming.
Well, it looks like the team won't be going hungry tonight, with Lyndon reeling this fish in. If you're a little bit squeamish, then you best look away now. The wilderness master Heiko is going to demonstrate how to gut a fish.
So we're finished riding for the day. Super windy, managed to catch some fish, but look at the wind outside. Ruan says to me, would you like some jelly babies? And I said, yeah, sure. And he gave me one jelly baby because they're all melted together. Oh yeah.
Well, we're living the dream here, boys. That fish looks delicious. I bet Lyndon is happy Acre came along for the ride. This definitely beats the usual pasta and tuna.
What does everyone think of the fish?
Delicious.
So I'm riding with two new people on Races to Places, and I thought it was about time we find out what their names are, what they do, what bike they ride, and how they know me. Let's find out.
My name is Ruan. I ride a KTM EXE500. I work in IT. And how do I know who?
Lyndon.
Never heard of him.
Hi, my name is Heiko. I ride a KTM 500 EXE, and I own a factory in Namibia, and Lyndon contacted me through the internet when he rode through Namibia.
Heiko, stop shining that torch at my face.
Looks like it's an early start today.
It's 4:30 in the morning and we have to get up and go riding because to get through this death acre we need to get there at low tide, which means we need to leave at around 5 AM. It'll still be a bit dark. We need to get there at low tide so that we don't get stranded. So a few people have got stranded in the past, and we hope not to be somebody else to get stranded on the beach there. Hotel Heiko, Hotel Ruan. Oh, it's Eric actually, Eric, and Hotel Poskitt. And how about the bikes? It's a pretty eerie place in here.
Next time on Races to Places, Basil gets a wash.
Hi everyone, I just want to say a massive thank you to you all for watching my media and for all the great comments that I receive every single day. Please keep them coming. I'm just going to share with you my Patreon page. Patreon is a membership-based platform that gives creators like me the opportunity to continue to create the media that you love to watch. For just a few dollars a month, I can give you priority viewing, I can give you special features, informative posts about the things that you want to know. It creates a platform for interaction between you, the viewer, and me, the creator. Now, a few dollars a month might not seem like a lot to you, but for me, collectively, it makes a huge difference. So please check out the link at the bottom of the page, and I appreciate any contribution you can make to make my job sustainable. In return for that, I promise to keep creating great media that you love, dreaming up new projects, filming it and sharing it with you all. Thanks.